Yo guys, what's going on? It's Chaz here with another video. So today we're going to be going over a little bit of a market cap, and this is live right now, so we'll be going over a little bit of this and some plays that I saw intraday today. So first, let's roll that intro. Okay, now that you guys can see my screen, let's start going over it. So ESEA, this is a very similar move that PXS made a couple days ago. It started as this nice wedge pattern here, and then we had a huge push to the upside. We might be seeing the same thing if we could break this overall trend here. I'm looking for that. That will be very nice. If we can get above this trend line here, we will probably see a nice spike. We do have strong resistance here, about 195 and high at 197. So if we break above 2, we will definitely be going pretty high. ESEA is also one of the lowest float shippers, which is great. That means it could run higher intraday. So that's definitely something to look out for. PXS. Didn't really make much moves today, just downtrending off of GLBS, which is also just getting crushed today. MNGA made some nice moves in the morning and just been crashing ever since. UGAS, absolutely parabolic moves. I mean, I'm absolutely like flabbergasted by this. I mean, this is just insane. I mean, let's just look at this 10-day chart. I mean, it was down at $77 like 8 days ago. I mean, that's just crazy. That's insanity. So, especially for a large cap stock. So, this is going absolutely nuts. I'm not really trading it because I don't want to try and predict a reversal on UGAS. Same with DGAS. I don't want to get into DGAS and try to predict that reversal. But yeah. All right, now let's go to any. So ANY, as you can see, we made a huge move today. I think we got halted around here. We came back down. We hit new highs, and then we downtrended. We consolidated, made a new trend line, and as you can see recently, we just broke through this trend line. And I was probably going to get in if we could see some spike above this trend line and above support here, but we did not see that, and I will not be playing any today for sure. Two plays that I had on my watch list for shorting today was TAHO and SWN. TAHO, as you could see, we had a nice descending triangle pre-market. We shot down, and then we had a beautiful ascending triangle immediately after. We didn't really make too much of a big move, but then we came down, trended downwards into pre-market. I almost got in here because we were showing this bullish pattern, but as you can see, we tapped around like 310, 308, which is a very strong support line. So when we tapped that, we came right back up, saw nice bullish patterns, then we made this other descending triangle and just been consolidating ever since. So this play wasn't really anything crazy today. I'm glad I did not short this because I wouldn't have got crushed by any means. I'd probably be in probably around 320, so I really wouldn't have made any money, and I'd just be consolidating throughout the day. So not really a really good move today. What I'd like to see more of is what I like to see in these gap to fill plays are lower lows, just consistent lower lows. But we didn't really get to see that from here. There's a lot of consolidation, so we've held strong throughout there. But I'll definitely be looking to short this in the next few days. We could see a steady downtrend. SWN was the better play today because, as you could see, we had these beautiful lower lows and lower highs here coming down pre-market, and as you can see, we just got crushed throughout the whole day. The only reason why I didn't get into this is because the profit margin was just not there for me. I wasn't really liking it that much. I mean, at best, I would have gotten in here and probably sold around here. That's about 5%, and I would have rather waited for TAHO to see if we could make a move on there, because this gives me a way better percentage of a game. If, let's say, if I got in here and it came down here, I mean, that's already 12%. That's more than double what SWN would have offered. But in that case, SWN actually did what I wanted it to do rather than TAHO, which kind of consolidated throughout the day. So it was kind of like even trade for me today. I didn't trade anything, but mentally those were both even trades. One did what I wanted, didn't really have the profit margin that I liked. THO didn't do what I wanted, but it had the profit margin that I liked. But learning experience, I'm glad I got to see this. The patterns were great. I'm surprised I was able to, not me, but I'm surprised these patterns came pre-market. Usually you don't see patterns like that pre-market. That's usually intraday at market open, but you know, I'm glad I did, and I'm glad I did not get in on THO because that would have been a waste. But now, okay, as you can see, we are now trending above this trend line of resistance. Our next resistance line is going to be at around 195. And if we could break 195, we will be sitting pretty, and hopefully we'll break 197. If we could break the $2 mark, we will see a big push from ESEA, and most probably that the other shippers such as PXX, GLBS, TOPS, DCIX will follow. They usually follow each other, especially when one of them runs. But yeah, I will keep you guys updated on this trade. Well, not on this trade, but on this play to see how it plays out today. But as you can see, this is a very easily identifiable trend here. We got a nice ascending wedge pattern here that's hopefully going to be shooting up. And as you can see, like I said, we did break above this previous support resistance trend line. So that is bullish. So maybe we'll see a play from this. But anyways, that's about all I got for you guys today. A little bit of a market recap. I'll be making a new video tomorrow, probably on some fundamentals. I'm not too sure, but make sure to comment down below if you have any suggestions, or comment down below any questions you may have. Also, there should be my Instagram and Twitter link scrolling above us. Make sure to DM me for any questions you may have about the stock market. I'd really love to help anyone that might have questions or concerns about anything. I'd love to help you out. Just DM me and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But yeah, thank you guys so much. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell if you want to see updates with my new videos. I appreciate it, guys. Have a fantastic day. Remember, stay green team, and cut your losses quick. All right, guys. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you tomorrow.